Hi guys, picked this one up in the charity shop. When I've bought similar things in the past that require an app to operate them, usually find the app no longer exists because they've stopped producing it. 2016 it says down here, so there's a good chance the app is not available. We'll find out because I'll have a look online, but we'll have a look in the box first anyway. See what we've got. Quick start guide. It appears to be one of those things that's over-packaged. Scan QR code to download. All right, I will stop filming and I'll see if that QR code works. All right, we'll see if we can actually do a screen capture of me trying this out. So, photo. Okay, it's got the link there. Show options, open link. Okay, download. Something went wrong, try again. Try again, try again, try again. Okay, it may be because I'm trying to record at the same time, so I'll shut down the recording and we'll give it another try. Right, using the link on the instructions didn't work, so I've gone directly into Google Play, searched for Jimu robot app, and that's not going to be the right one. That's the one that it suggests to me. We have got UKIT Edu, UBtech Robotics Corporation. I guess we could download that one and see if it does anything related to what we want. So we'll install that and come back later. Right, well, I've downloaded this UKIT Edu from the site. So we'll have a look at that. No, we're not doing that. We'll log in as a guest, see what we get. Your project files and firmware files are automatically changed to the configuration file of the selected main control box model. Okay, we'll have to look into this further. We're not going any further on this. We'll go back to looking at what's in the box. Back to looking at what's in the box. It does look like my suspicion was correct, that we can't get the app for this specific kit. Although I will look a bit more at that app that I've downloaded and see what it does. So for what I paid for it, £2.99, even if it's just got a few electric motors in there, I could make use of them. Yeah, the app that we've downloaded doesn't look like anything that's on the pages here. The only other thing to do is to scan one of those sites that has archived old apps. Might be able to find it there. Yes, if I'd have paid a lot of money for this, I'd be worried, but I've experienced this sort of thing in the past where you needed an app and it's no longer available. So I was fully aware of what I was buying. I'll be interested in these servos to see what we can do with them. Oh, we've drifted into the other languages now, haven't we? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Okay. A thing for poking things with. Fasteners. Okay, a box of fasteners. Recharging power adapter and wires. Yeah, there appears to be no, that's just the bit that the adapter fits into to use on that type of power. We've got some useful looking wires, but I suspect we're missing the proper power unit. Robotic servo motors and speaker. Well, things plug into there, but I don't see a servo. It's always possible somebody put the things back in the wrong boxes. Main control box and LED lights and infrared sensor. That is empty. Connectors. Okay, we've got some connectors. This looks very much to me like one of those things that people have given to a charity shop without all the important bits in it. Like the thing that actually makes it work. Nope. So, in summary, what we've got in the box does not include any of the important bits. So, complete waste of money. That is disappointing. I had hoped that we might have actually had some bits in there that were worth having. I mean, that you could use to make up some track. I think that's what that is. And we got some gears. But we haven't got any of the important bits. Well, there we go. It was a waste of time trying to download the app, because even if we had got it, we haven't got any of the important bits. Like, like anything that's worth having. None of this. None of it. None of it whatsoever. We got some of the black stuff for making the track, some of the connectors, but none of the bits to actually make the robot. And whoever gave that to the charity shop really should be ashamed of themselves. So in summary, Not even worth the £2.99 I paid for it. What a shame. It would have been interesting, even without the correct app. It would have been interesting to try out the various bits and pieces. But the important bits and pieces aren't in there. So this will go into my playlist of times that I've bought stuff from charity shop and it's been junk, which doesn't happen very often. I can usually find something worth using. So there we go. Junk, rubbish, garbage, charity shop, gold, or in this case, garbage. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.